States Marine Corps, the Spanish Navy, and the Italian Navy. Because this aircraft can take off and vertically land from short airstrips or roadways, it can be based in areas inaccessible to conventional tactical jet aircraft. The Harrier's payload and range capabilities are comparable to any attack aircraft in the world. The AV-8B offers significant improved ordnance delivery and accuracy over previous generations of the aircraft. The Harrier II is commonly called as part of the secondary aircraft plan in April 1966, a greatly improved version of the AV-8B. It is built by Boeing and powered by a Rolls-Royce Pegasus II engine developing 23,400 pounds of thrust, or about 35,000 horsepower. The Marine Corps has 5 tactical Harrier squadrons and 1 training squadron. The Harrier II Plus is capable of carrying every type of conventional ordnance available in the Navy and Marine Corps inventory, including air-to-air missiles and our 25mm Gatling gun. Today's flight demonstration will consist of many of the modes of operation available to the Harrier pilot. The demonstration pilot is Major Douglas Kearns, call sign Barney, of Millersville, Maryland. He has been flying Harrier since 2010 and has over 1,000 hours in Harrier. At your immediate front, the pilot is positioning his aircraft for short takeoff. With this liftoff technique, speed and runway required may be as slow as 50 knots, ground speed and as short as 100 feet. Let's see Barney demonstrate the short takeoff capability of AV-8B Harrier II Plus. Just demonstrated, along with its other unique maneuvering characteristics, are made possible through the use of 4 movable nozzles, 2 located on each side of the aircraft. The pilot is able to control the direction of thrust by positioning these 4 movable nozzles. At your far right, you will see the aircraft coming in for the traditional low pass. The Harrier is capable of quick accelerations to speeds approaching 600 knots. Now from your right, the Harrier low speed pass.
Just shake the camera when you're taking it. This guy was going so fast.
Now pass the gap of the low speed pass. Can we even see the high speed pass? It's just too fast to do.
Yeah, a little misspeak there.
We don't want to insult the Air Force.
Barney is going to come around again for another high-speed pass this time. So approaching about 500 miles an hour, crossing from your left to right.
What a cool jet to see this thing.
Yeah, seriously. I'm gonna walk.
Exhaust nozzles can be directed aft for conventional flight, as you're seeing currently, intermediate for short takeoff and short landing, or down for vertical flight, as a pilot. As Barney brings it back around from your right, he's going to execute what we call a deceleration. During this maneuver, the pilot will decelerate from 500 knots to 0 knots, utilizing movable thrust nozzles.
Boy, I hope I can get to this moving too.
noticed that today he didn't just set down at a vertical landing. He's also not going to do a vertical
Concrete vertically or on ships and stuff like that, but not the black top.
All right, so he's getting ready now to relaunch, I guess, for the second half of the show.
Yeah, that's correct. So what Marty's going to do now is going to do another short takeoff. Again, we would do vertically in the air show, but not today, doing the runway. He's going to take off and he's going to clean the airplane up, and he's going to take back off and show you what he can do in the vertical.
This is always my favorite part. He'll I guess, start this once he takes off, maybe from a hover again, or is he just going to go?
Yeah, it's basically going to take off, do a short takeoff, go up to a hover, and then basically accelerate in the vertical.
Oh yeah, this is awesome, folks. Watch this when he launches from the hover position. It looks just like a rocket ship going off. I mean, it's really incredible. Get your cameras out and watch this. Here he goes, Pat. How is his air show wave? Is it pretty good? Does he do a good job waving, or is it?
I couldn't tell you if he's actually done one before.
Yeah, we'll have to see it. It's all in the wrist. Hopefully he can do it.
Yeah. That concludes our aerial demonstration of the AV-8B Harrier II Plus. Second Marine Aircraft Wing, thanks you very much for your time.
All right, Major Morris, thank you. Awesome job there, Major Morris. That is one loud airplane, I think. We're going to bring it back here. Oh yeah, look at this. We're going to bring it right back through the crowd line. Let you see this thing up close. Now, never to be outdone. The Marines, they always bring the loudest airplane to any air show with the Harrier. I'm telling you, that thing can make some noise.
Yeah, they can.
Way more noise than the F-35 even today, I think. What an impressive machine still today, the Harrier. request, we'll be bringing the Harrier back by here. Yeah, Facebook.com/airshow by request. You can pick it up here too if you can do that. Master Sergeant Paul was standing by to tell us all about the Viper demo that's coming up here in a few seconds.
I know, but it's